Hey guys, in this video I will show you best IQ option script special for you. And if you not join my telegram channel, please join my telegram channel for next video, okay? And if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel, okay? And if you not join best binary option broker account, the link in my description, simply click and sign up, start forex and binary trading, okay? So let's start trading with this script and indicator, okay? Here is I have placed $1 state, okay? I have placed down because in the script signal by down signal, okay? So let's see the result. And this is a very good script, and I can show my withdraw result, okay, for when 1000 subscriber complete, and I can show my income proof, okay? So let's start trading with this script.
Me wind and rain, you're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Can't twist myself at the spine. Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me